Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to do spinach Alfredo pasta and some cheesy garlic sticks. We're going to mainly show you how I do the cheesy garlic sticks. You guys already seen how I make my spinach Alfredo sauce there. We did the pizza with it. It's basically the same sauce. We just put it over pasta. It's really good. So let's get over here and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start out here. We got about roughly 2 tablespoons of salted butter. That's real butter. And I'm running low on the garlic, but we should have enough. The way I do it is I saute my garlic here to start getting it fragrant. And then to this, I will add another full stick of salted butter. Melt it down, let the flavors mingle, and then I let it cool so I can use it like regular butter and spread it. So you can see there that butter starting to melt, and I just use a fork there to kind of get that butter and that garlic in there, and it don't take long. It just takes a few minutes there to get everything all melted down. And I kind of brown the butter a little, or brown the garlic a little bit, just to get that flavor going. So not much more to it than that. We'll bring you back when we get a little further along there. Alright y'all, see I got that garlic there, she's sizzling a little bit. Just keep moving her around there, you don't want to burn it. I'll actually turn the heat down now that down to low. Just want to kind of saute that a little bit, like I said, just to get it to release its flavors. And now I'll go ahead and add my whole stick of butter, and I'll just let that melt down. Once that melts down, then we'll let it cool, let it recongeal, and you'll have your garlic butter. And I won't use all this in this meal or this recipe, but it's always nice to have some of this on hand. So figured I'd show you all how I make it up. So let me get this melted down and we'll move on to the next step. And sorry y'all, I forgot to tell you, I add a little bit of onion powder to this too. It just helps with the flavor a little bit. So there you have that, and you got the salt in there from the butter, so you don't need to add any extra salt. So see, this here is melting down nicely. And like I said, as soon as this is melted down completely, I will take it completely off the heat. And I usually put it into a little container. Want to keep kind of stirring it around so the fats and stuff don't separate, but you know, you guys kind of got the idea there. So we'll bring you back and move on to the next one. Alright y'all, I got that mixture all ready to go. And like I said, I just poured into a small, I got a glass container here. I use my spatula to get all that goodness out of that pan. You want all that garlic and everything. So there we have it. Alright, there's that. Like I said, I'll come by now, you know, as it's cooling down, and I'll take a fork and just kind of mix it around, make sure that garlic and everything's all mixed throughout that butter. So now we just wait until it cools down. That's all we can do. So this cools down and congeals back up. We'll bring it back and get to making the cheesy breadsticks. Alright y'all, gonna make this garlic cheese sticks now. Yeah, you can see our garlic butter there is congealed nicely. And I just take some. Just a nice thin layer. That's all you need. You get too much and it just goes everywhere in your oven and makes a big mess. Get it out to the edges there. Like I said, just a nice thin layer, and you can actually use this on like a loaf of Italian bread. Make your own regular garlic bread. I was just in the mood for some cheesy garlic bread sticks. So, alright. More up here. There's that. And then I just cover it with the Italian mixed cheese. Same thing I used on pizzas. And I just get it in there. And nice thin layer. You can go as cheesy as you want. You know, so sometimes it's not easy being cheesy. Get it all the way out there to the edges there. She'll kind of spread out a little bit. Alright. Now I'll just take a little bit of Italian seasoning. Just shake a little bit of that on top. And once the oven warms up here now, I'll bake this for about 10-12 minutes, something like that. I'll put it in for 10 and I'll check it. Make sure it's not burning, because, you know, I don't want it real crispy, but I want it crispy. So, this oven's warming up. When that gets hot, I'll throw it in there. When she's done, we'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. There it is. She's all cooked up. Ready to go. It did get a little darker on the edge there, but that's okay. I like it that way. Like I said, I like thin crispy, so if you want to use a little thicker pizza crust, you can. Again, I like the thin and crispies, so just need to cut them into strips there. If you like, you can trim that off. Don't get distracted while you're cooking, is what I'm trying to say. Alright. Split it down the middle here now. While this was cooking, I went ahead and mixed up my Alfredo and spinach, and I use shell noodles because I like it, because it captures the sauce better. But alright, let me get this stuff rearranged around here. We'll get some of this plated up and we'll do a little taste test. Alright, y'all, there you got it. Spinach Alfredo with cheesy breadsticks. I'm going to try one of these cheesy breadsticks here. I got a little bit of the Alfredo on there. You won't get that quality in any restaurant, I'm telling you, guaranteed. Have another bite of this stuff here. That is so good. And to wash it down, I'm going to do a little ginger ale. Good stuff there, man. I'm telling you. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down there. Tell me how you make it. If you make this kind of dish, I really appreciate that. I'm getting a lot of good suggestions on how to change things up and add and subtract stuff from it. I was going to put mushrooms in this. I decided not to because, you know, I wasn't feeling in a mushroomy mood today. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget about the Sunday live streams, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Every Sunday night. We talk about cooking, small engines, tractor pulling, all that kind of stuff. And also don't forget about my New Year's Eve live stream party. 9 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. I do have a video out. Go back and look if you want to enter for the drawing for the door prizes and stuff. There's an email in there. Hit me up on that email and you'll get entered in the contest. So appreciate you all watching, and as always, bon appetit.